Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to go live on Twitch. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! If you were unfamiliar with Twitch in the past, you probably know about the popular live streaming platform now. The Amazon-owned streaming service has grown exponentially over the years, how with more than 30 million daily viewers and around 7 million creators going live on Twitch every month according to the platform. Are you a first time streaming looking to get in on the Twitch action? Or maybe you are a long time YouTuber who feels like Twitch, which focuses on live video, may be a better platform for your live streams? Then, in this video, I will show you how to start live on your Twitch. It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Twitch. Now you can just tap on the plus icon in here. You can choose if you want to stream games where you can play and stream from this device, or you want to stream in real life. You can broadcast your life wherever you are. I will choose on stream in real life. So now, before we start the stream, you can enter the title first. Be like this. You can go live notification. You can custom your live notification. You can choose the category. Or I will just skip this. You can enter the tags. You can enter the content classification. And you can stream language in here. After that, after finish, you can just add stream maker or here, or you can just tap on save. Now you can just start live by tap on it. Oh, so we can't empty the category, so you can just you can enter the category. Like this, save. Okay, let's start. So now you have start the stream. You have started live on your Twitch. And if you want to stop, you can just tap on it and end stream. So simple, right? So that is how to start live on your Twitch. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to give you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.